welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making spicy, creamy chicken curry. It's perfect for dinner, so delicious and ready in less than 20 minutes. Let's get started. Okay, first heat a pan on medium to high heat. Then add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let it more a little hot. Then add chopped garlic in the pan. When the garlic turns to golden brown, then add 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry in. So now you're gonna see it look a little dry. You can add a little of coconut milk so that the curry paste easily to combine. This step you can cook on high heat but quickly stir. Make sure do not burn it. Alright, next I'm going to add 580 grams of chicken thigh or chicken breast as you like. Give it a stir. Let the chicken a little cook. Then add a few lemongrass stems, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, half tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish salt, and then combine together. After that, add coconut milk in. Now we're gonna let it cook about 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure the chicken is really cooked. After it cooked, you will see a lovely creamy chicken curry. Alright, let me add a little of salt. Don't forget to taste it first before you add some salt because some curry paste tastes salty. And then sprinkle with finely chopped kaffir lime leaf. Mix it well, and then you're good to go. I want to serve with rice, white and red color. Then top it with chopped roasted peanuts, but if you don't like, just skip it. And then a little more finely chopped kaffir lime leaf. And yeah, you're ready to go. Alright, I hope it will become your favorite dish. Check my recipe in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like my dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!